Good evening. Tonight we explore a story that could reshape the world, the expansion of BRICS and the 10 countries vying to join. BRICS, Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa, already represents a massive share of global population and economic output. Now, with new members lining up, the bloc is poised to challenge the post-Cold War order. We'll examine who these countries are, why they want in, and what this means for the future of global power. This is about more than economics, it's about the architecture of the 21st century. Saudi Arabia, long a pillar of the Western-led financial system, is pivoting. Its interest in BRICS is a strategic move to diversify alliances and secure its future in a multipolar world. As the world's largest oil exporter, Saudi Arabia's inclusion would give BRICS unprecedented influence over global energy markets. A shift away from the US dollar in oil transactions could disrupt the international financial system. Crown Prince Mohammed bin Salman's Vision 2030 aligns with BRICS, offering new markets and investment partners. Saudi officials are already in high-level talks, exploring the mechanics of membership. The question is not if, but when Saudi Arabia will join. This move could place Saudi Arabia alongside regional rival Iran, creating both opportunities for dialogue and new tensions. The world is watching, because a BRICS with Saudi Arabia is a vastly more powerful entity. The stakes for the global order are enormous. Iran's entry into BRICS is a bold act of strategic defiance against Western isolation. Membership offers Iran a lifeline, access to new markets, technology, and financial systems outside Western control. With vast oil and gas reserves, Iran strengthens BRICS as an energy powerhouse. For Russia and China, Iran's inclusion is a strategic win, uniting nations often at odds with US policy. This signals the decline of unilateral sanctions as a tool of Western power. Yet Iran's contentious relationships could complicate BRICS diplomacy, especially for members like India. The bloc must adapt to Iran's assertive agenda, testing its cohesion. Iran's membership shows that countries under Western pressure are forging new alliances. The geopolitical map is being redrawn, not by force but by strategic realignment. BRICS is becoming a sanctuary for those seeking alternatives to the status quo. Argentina, mired in economic crisis, sees BRICS as a potential escape from Western financial constraints. Access to the new development bank could mean loans without harsh IMF conditions, and new markets for its exports. However, the election of President Javier Milei, who favors the West, has cast doubt on Argentina's BRICS ambitions. The country's foreign policy is at a crossroads, between a multipolar future and traditional Western alignment. Brazil, Argentina's neighbor, strongly supports its inclusion to strengthen South America's voice in BRICS. The decision will shape not only Argentina's future, but also signal the direction of Latin American geopolitics. Will Argentina embrace BRICS or return to the Western fold? The world is watching this pivotal choice. Egypt, at the crossroads of Africa and the Middle East, seeks BRICS membership for pragmatic reasons. Control of the Suez Canal gives Egypt strategic weight, and BRICS offers investment for major infrastructure projects. The new development bank could fund Egypt's priorities, diversifying its economy beyond tourism and canal revenues. Geopolitically, Egypt's inclusion would anchor BRICS in North Africa and the Arab world. Egypt is balancing old Western ties with new Eastern partnerships, like Russian nuclear projects and Chinese investments. Joining BRICS is about multi-alignment, engaging all major powers to maximize national interests. Egypt's membership would connect BRICS's African, Asian, and Middle Eastern dimensions. It's not about burning bridges, but building new ones. Egypt's calculated move reflects a global trend among middle powers. The country is positioning itself as a pivotal player in a changing world. Turkey, straddling Europe and Asia, is redefining its alliances. A NATO member buying Russian arms, and a rebuffed EU candidate, Turkey seeks respect as a regional power. BRICS offers Turkey equal footing with non-Western powers, free from Western lectures. Economically, BRICS could open new markets and provide alternative funding for Turkey's ambitious projects. President Erdogan's vision for a multipolar world aligns with BRICS's philosophy. Yet, Turkey's NATO ties complicate its path. Can it balance both camps? Turkey's potential membership would test the limits of strategic autonomy in the 21st century. The world is watching to see if Turkey can pioneer a new model of alliance. Its decision could redefine what it means to be an ally. Indonesia, Southeast Asia's giant, is ready to claim its place on the world stage. As the region's largest economy, Indonesia's inclusion would boost BRICS's global GDP share. Rich in resources, Indonesia seeks investment and markets for its commodities. Its non-aligned tradition fits BRICS' spirit. Jakarta sees membership as diversification, not taking sides. President Joko Widodo's economic diplomacy focuses on tangible benefits: trade, investment, and development. BRICS is a vehicle for Indonesia's national goals, not ideology. Membership would give BRICS a foothold in ASEAN and greater Indo-Pacific influence. Indonesia's entry would make BRICS a truly global alliance. The bloc's reach would extend into one of the world's most dynamic regions. Nigeria, Africa's most populous nation and largest economy, eyes BRICS for development and global influence. Membership could unlock capital for infrastructure and boost trade with China and India. Nigeria's inclusion would strengthen Africa's voice in BRICS, countering criticism of Asian dominance. Internal challenges, instability, corruption, security must be addressed to reassure other members. Supporters see BRICS as a path to economic sovereignty. Critics fear over-reliance on China and Russia. Nigeria's decision will set a precedent for other African nations. The debate is active and consequential. BRICS could be transformative for Nigeria's future. The world is watching Africa's next move. The UAE, already a BRICS member, is a financial and logistical powerhouse in the Gulf. Its membership is about diversification, building ties with China and India while maintaining autonomy from the West. The UAE brings vast financial capital and world-class infrastructure to BRICS. Its ports and airlines connect trade routes across Asia, Africa, and South America. The UAE's sovereign wealth funds strengthen the new development bank, making it a real alternative to the IMF and World Bank. By joining BRICS alongside Saudi Arabia, Egypt, and Iran, the UAE is part of a major Middle Eastern realignment. The bloc is becoming a forum for regional powers to cooperate and compete. The UAE's move signals a fundamental reshaping of the Middle East's economic and political geography. BRICS is now a key player in the region's future. Algeria, a major North African energy supplier, has formally applied to join BRICS. Its motivation: new markets for energy, investment to modernize, and a tradition of non-alignment. Backed by Russia and China, Algeria's inclusion would deepen BRICS's control over global oil and gas. Politically, BRICS's ethos of sovereignty and multipolarity resonates with Algeria's anti-colonial identity. Membership would reaffirm its commitment to alternatives to Western dominance. Algeria must accelerate reforms to be an effective member. Its application is a catalyst for modernization. Algeria's entry could shift the energy balance in Europe and beyond. Thailand, Southeast Asia's hub, is seeking BRICS membership to boost trade and investment. As a major exporter and manufacturing center, Thailand wants access to BRICS's vast markets. The move is pragmatic, recovering from the pandemic and securing its role in regional supply chains. Traditionally a U.S. ally, Thailand is now pursuing multi-alignment. Membership would give it a voice in global finance and development alongside giants like China and India. Thailand's strategic location offers BRICS a gateway to the greater Mekong sub-region. Its bid signals BRICS's growing appeal to influential middle powers. Thailand's inclusion would strengthen the bloc's Southeast Asian pillar. We've explored 10 nations, each seeking a place in a bloc that's reshaping the world. The expansion of BRICS could shift global power in ways unseen for generations. This is about more than geopolitics. It's about the future of the global economy and the lives of billions. Can this diverse group maintain cohesion? How will the West respond? Which country do you think will join next? Let us know in the comments. Thank you for watching as we witness the dawn of a new era.